First, let's quickly demonstrate the issue. The first thing we're going to do is reset the Wi-Fi network settings. This is a simple and effective method to resolve most connection issues. To do this, open your settings on your phone. Tap on search bar and type Network Reset. Then, select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. This will reset all your network settings, which can help resolve conflicts preventing your Wi-Fi from connecting. Once you tap Reset Settings, you may be asked to enter your phone's passcode, so go ahead and do that. Now that we've reset the network settings, go back to your Wi-Fi menu and try connecting to the Wi-Fi network again. Now, if your phone still isn't connecting, there's a chance that the Wi-Fi owner may have blocked your device. This can happen if the network administrator has added your phone to the Wi-Fi block list. To fix this, you'll need to ask the Wi-Fi owner to unblock your device from the router's settings. They'll need to access the router's settings, find the blocked devices list or blacklist, and remove your phone from the list. After that, be sure to save the changes. Once your device is unblocked, try connecting to the Wi-Fi again. And there you have it. The Wi-Fi is now properly connected to my Android phone. This method should fix the issue for you as well.